Today unboxing the Logitech MX Master 3 mouse. Because Apple's Magic Mouse sucks. This up here. Wow, feels nice. I think that's it. Keyboard. Okay. I guess this is for charging. USB-C. Say, turn it on. USB or Bluetooth. What? Okay, I don't get it. Set everything in here. Nothing in here. All right. Let's connect this. I need a USB slot. So let's go here. Anything happening? Turn this on. The one is flashing. Okay. Okay. Now what? How do I get this working on my computer screen? So turn it on. mxsetup.logi.com. What? Select the device you want to connect. Mouse. Oops. Damn it. Bluetooth. Turn your mouse over and switch it on. Okay. Find the switch on the bottom of your mouse and switch it over to the on position. Okay, I've done that. If there's no power, okay. Then what? The LED should be blinking fast. Okay. When it begins blinking, it means it's ready to pair with your computer. Really? So, on your computer, find the Bluetooth settings menu. Where is it? Oh, here it is. MX Master 3. Connect. And am I connected? Oh, yes I am. Oh. What the heck is that? Press the key immediately to the right of the shift key. What the hell is that? Anyway, let me close this here. Alright.
Mouse. I've been around town, I've been around the block
Wow.
when it comes to fancy.
Goes back, forward. Okay, well. Feels nice. I don't know what this is for. I guess people who still use this stuff. You stick it in your computer or something if you don't want to use Bluetooth, or if you don't have Bluetooth. But yeah, alright. Mouse is comfortable. I don't know all the features yet, but I'm sure I'll figure it out soon. So yeah. This is the MX Master 3 mouse from Logitech. It was about $100. That's it.